making for you all pakora. Now you all requested this quite a while now on my channel. Usually when I make pakora, I like using this brand. You guys know I've always been speaking about this brand. Some really delicious stuff this brand produces, especially the biryani. So I know a lot of you may not be able to get this pakora mix, but if you can get it, you just mix some water and you dip your vegetables and you fry. You can use it to paste or baste sahina or baigani also. It's really delicious. So today what I'm going to be doing is making my version of this mix for you all. So I'm gonna start by adding in some ground split pea powder or dal flour. Now it depends on how much you want to make, because a little of this will go a long way. So I'm gonna start here with 1/4 cup. Now we have to season this really well, and it's basically, I would say this is just like making any batter that you would use to fry pylori, sahina and all of those things. It's the same thing. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper. Now I am eyeballing everything, but the complete list of ingredients will be down in the description box. Next I'm going in with some garlic powder and some onion powder, some cayenne pepper or chili pepper, and you can put as much or as little as you want, and some paprika. Next, and some roasted cumin powder. Next, I'm going to go in with some cornstarch. Now, cornstarch is not traditional to this mixture, but I like adding cornstarch because it gives it a nice crisp, crunchy exterior, which you really need for this. I'm also going to go in with 2 tablespoons of flour. Now the flour is optional. If you were to omit the flour, I would suggest adding in some extra dal or split pea flour. Next, salt to taste. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix to combine. Next, I'm going to go in with some green seasoning. You can't make this a Trini dish if you don't put some green seasoning in there. And then add enough water to bring this together to form a batter. To this I'm just going to go in with a pinch of turmeric. Mix that in. Once you have the color that you desire, whether you want it very yellow or light yellow, then you can just set this aside for about 5 minutes. You want to put up your oil to heat up in the meantime.
So to make this, I'm using cauliflower. You can use any type of vegetable you would like. All you have to do is dip that cauliflower into your batter and place it into your oil on a medium-low heat. You want this to take its time because you want that pakora mixture that's on the outside of the vegetable to cook properly. So you just want to keep turning it, let it get a nice golden brown color. Now cauliflower doesn't take long to fry, so once it's finished, you take it out and you drain it on some paper towels. And today I'm serving it with some Caribbean flavors sweet mango chutney. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much for requesting it. I was really happy to make it. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.